Hello everyone. Today we are going to study plant growth and development. Question 1. What are the primary stages of plant development? Answer. The primary stages of plant development include germination, vegetative growth, flowering, pollination, fruiting, and seed dispersal. Question 2. What role do meristems play in plant growth? Answer. Meristems are region of undifferentiated cells that are responsible for the continuous growth of plants. They are found at the tips of roots and shoots, called apical meristem, and in vascular and core cambia, lateral meristem. Question 3. How does auxin influence plant growth? Answer. Auxin is a plant hormone that promotes cell elongation, particularly in the stems, and regulates growth responses such as phototropism, gravitropism. It is also involved in apical dominance and root formation. Next question. What is the difference between primary and secondary growth in plants? Answer. Primary growth is the vertical growth of a plant which results from the activity of apical meristems. Secondary growth refers to the increase in thickness or girth of the plant, resulting from the activity of lateral meristems, vascular cambium, and core cambium. Next question. Explain the concept of phototropism and the role of auxin in this process. Answer. Phototropism is the growth response of a plant toward or away from light. Auxin redistributes to the shaded side of plant, causing cells to elongate more on that side, which bends the plant towards the light source. Next question. What is the function of gibberellins in plant development? Answer. Gibberellins are plant hormones that promote stem elongation, seed germination, flowering, and fruit development. They break seed dormancy and help mobilize nutrients during germination. Next question. Describe the role of cytokinins in plant growth. Answer. Cytokinins are plant hormones that promote cell division in roots and shoots, delay senescence, aging of leaves, and work synergistically with auxins to control cell differentiation and apical dominance. Next question. How does ethylene affect plant growth and development? Answer. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone that regulates fruit ripening, leaf abscission, and responses to stress conditions. It also promotes senescence and can inhibit stem elongation and root growth. Next question. What is apical dominance and which hormones are involved? Answer. Apical dominance is the phenomena where the main central stem of the plant is dominant over grows more strongly than other side stems. Auxin produced by the apical bud inhibits the growth of lateral buds, while cytokinins promotes lateral growth. Next question. Explain the process of vernalization and its significance. Answer. Vernalization is the process by which prolonged exposure to cold temperature induces flowering in some plants. This ensures that flowering occurs at an optimal time for reproduction. Next question. What are tropism And what types are there? Answer: tropism are directional growth responses to environmental stimuli. Types include phototropism, light; gravitropism, gravity; hydrotropism, water; thigmotropism, touch; and chemotropism, chemicals. Next question. Describe the role of abscisic acid in plants. Answer: abscisic acid ABA is a plant hormone that regulates stress responses such as closing stomata during drought, inducing seed dormancy, and inhibiting growth. Next question. What is the significance of the hormone brasinosteroids in plants? Answer: brasinosteroids are a class of polyhydroxysteroids that promote cell expansion and elongation, vascular differentiation, and seed germination, and stress tolerance. Next question. How do plants perceive and respond to changes in light quality and quantity? Answer: plants perceive light through photoreceptors like phytochromes, red and far red light, cryptochromes, blue light. These photoreceptors regulate processes such as seed germination, stem elongation, and flowering. Next question. What is the difference between long day and short day plants? Answer: long day plants flower when the night length is shorter than the critical period, while short day plants flower when the night length exceeds a critical period. This response is controlled by the phytochrome system. Next question. Explain the process of seed germination. Answer: seed germination begins with the absorption of water, imbibition, imbibition, followed by the activation of metabolic pathways, enzymatic breakdown of stored food, and the emergence of radicle, root, and shoot from the seed coat. Next question. What is the significance of root cap in root growth? Answer: the root cap protects the growing tip of root as it pushes through the soil. It also secretes mucilage to lubricate the passage and contains gravity sensing cells called statocytes that help direct root growth. Next question. How do plants achieve cell elongation? Answer: cell elongation in plants is driven by the loosening of the cell wall, uptake of water, and turgor pressure. Auxin plays a critical role by activating proton pumps that acidify the cell wall, making it more extensible. Next question. Describe the process and significance of photoperiodism in plants. Answer: photoperiodism is the physiological reaction of organisms to the length of day or night. It affects flowering, seed germination, and other developmental processes. Plants measure photoperiods using phytochromes and adjust their growth accordingly. Next question. What is the role of root hairs in plant growth? Answer: root hairs increase the surface area of roots, enhancing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. They play a crucial role in anchoring the plant and facilitating nutrient uptake. Next question. How do plants respond to mechanical stimuli? Answer: plants respond to mechanical stimuli through a process called thigmotropism. This involves a this involves changes in growth patterns such as the coiling of tendrils around a support and can be regulated by auxins and ethylene. Next question. What mechanism do plants use to adapt to drought conditions? Answer. Plants adapt to drought through various mechanisms, including clogic stomata to reduce water loss, increasing root depth, producing osmoprotectants, and synthesizing abscisic acid to induce stress responses. Next question. Explain the role of secondary metabolites in plant. Answer. Secondary metabolites are compounds not directly involved in primary metabolic process but play crucial roles in defense against herbivores and pathogens, attracting pollinators and UV protection. Next question. What are the major factors influencing the rate of photosynthesis in plants? Answer. The rate of photosynthesis is influenced by light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, water availability, and the presence of chlorophyll. Next question. How do plants regulate the opening and closing of stomata? Answer. Stomata opening and closing are regulated by guard cells, which respond to environmental signals like light, carbon dioxide concentration, and humidity. Abscisic acid ABA also plays a key role in closing stomata during water stress.